Alex, come here, please.
What's wrong, Jessica?
Look at the sink. The faucet is leaking.
Oh, I see. Water is dripping.
Yes, it started this morning. Now it's getting worse.
Did you try to turn it off very tight?
Yes, I did. I turned it all the way, but it still drips.
Maybe something is broken inside.
Can you fix it?
I'm not sure, but I can try. I'll look under the sink first.
Okay, be careful. The floor is wet.
Thanks. I'll get a towel to dry it.
Do you need any tools?
Yes, I need the toolbox. It has my wrench and screwdriver.
It's in the cabinet, right?
Yes, the one near the broom. Can you get it for me?
Sure, I'll bring it now.
Thanks, Jessica. Let's fix this before it gets worse.
Yes, I don't want water everywhere in the kitchen.
Don't worry, we'll fix it together. Jessica, did you find the toolbox?
Yes, it's in the cabinet, but I couldn't carry it.
Is it heavy?
Yes, it is.
Okay, let me check. Here it is. You're right. It's a little heavy.
Yeah, I told you.
I will open the toolbox now.
What tools do you need?
A wrench and a screwdriver.
Are they inside?
Yes, I found them.
Great. Do you need anything else?
Maybe a towel? There might be water.
Good idea. I'll get a towel from the bathroom.
Thanks.
Here's the towel.
All right. We're ready now. Let's go back to the sink.
Let's fix this leak.
Okay, I have the wrench now. Let me open the cabinet.
Do you want me to hold the door?
Yes, that would help. Thanks. I see the pipe. It looks a little loose.
Do you need the flashlight?
Yes, please shine it right here, under the sink.
Like this?
Perfect. I can see everything now.
Is it a big problem?
No, I don't think so. The pipe is just not tight enough.
Can you fix it?
I will try. I just need to turn this slowly with the wrench.
Be careful. That pipe looks old.
Yes, I'll be gentle. Hold the flashlight steady, please.
Okay.
Turning. Almost done.
How does it look?
It looks better now. I think it's tight.
Should we test it?
Yes, turn on the faucet just a little.
Okay. The water is on. Do you see any leaks?
No leaks. No drips. I think it's fixed.
Wow, you really did it.
Yes, I feel like a handyman now.
Should we leave the towel under the pipe, just in case?
Yes, good idea. Just for tonight.
Thank you for fixing it. You saved the day.
You helped too. We are a good team.
High five.
Now, time for sleep. I have to go to the car workshop early in the morning. I need to fix my car.
Right. You should rest then. Good night, handyman.
Good night, teammate.
Hello? How can I help you today?
Hi. My car is making a strange noise.
I see. What kind of noise?
It's a loud sound, like knocking. It happens when I start the car.
Okay. Does the noise stop after some time?
Yes, It stops after a few minutes.
All right. When did this start?
2 days ago, it was small at first, but now it's louder.
No problem. I'll look at it. Can you give me the keys?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. You can wait in the office. I'll check it now.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Alex. I checked your car.
Okay, what did you find?
The noise is from the engine. The oil level is very low.
Oh, is that a big problem?
It can be. Low oil can damage the engine. We need to add new oil.
I see. Can you fix it now?
Yes, I can change the oil for you.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
Okay, please do it.
Sure. Do you want normal oil or synthetic oil?
What is the difference?
Synthetic oil is better for the engine. It lasts longer, but it costs a little more.
I'll take synthetic oil, please.
Good choice. I'll start now. You can wait here.
Thank you.
Hi, Alex. Your car is ready.
Great. Is the noise gone?
Yes, it sounds good now. I changed the oil.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $45 for the synthetic oil and the service.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, just tap here.
Done. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Drive safe.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, Alex. See you next time.
Hi, Jessica. I'm back.
Hi, Alex. How is the car?
All fixed. The noise is gone now.
That's great, but we have another problem.
Oh no. What is it?
The kitchen faucet is dripping again.
Really? I thought I fixed it yesterday.
Yes, it was fine at first, but now it's dripping again.
That's not good. Did you try to turn it tight?
Yes, I did. It still drips.
Okay, maybe we should call someone to fix it.
I agree. We need someone to fix it properly.
Okay, let me look for a good plumber online.
Thanks. Let's get it fixed before it gets worse.
I found a plumber online. The company has good reviews.
That's great. Are you going to call now?
Yes, I'll call. I'll ask if they can come today.
Hello, this is Fast Fix Plumbing. How can I help you?
Hi, my kitchen faucet is dripping. Can someone come and fix it?
Yes, of course. When did the problem start?
It started yesterday. I tried to fix it, but it didn't work.
No problem. We can send someone today at 3 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, 3 p.m. is perfect. Thank you. Yes, I will be here.
You're welcome. Please make sure someone is at home.
See you. Bye.
Great. See you at 3.
Hi, I'm from Fast Fix Plumbing. I'm here to fix the kitchen faucet.
Yes, thank you for coming. Please come in.
Thank you. Can you show me the faucet?
Sure, it's in the kitchen. This way, please.
Okay, no problem. Let me take a look.
Do you need any tools?
I have my toolbox with me. I'll check and fix it.
Great. We hope it's an easy fix.
I'll do my best. All right, let me look at the faucet.
It started dripping again yesterday. We tried to fix it, but it didn't work.
I see. Yes, the washer is loose. That's why it's leaking.
Can you fix it now?
Yes. I just need a few minutes. I have the right parts in my toolbox.
That's great. Thank you.
No problem. I will replace the washer and tighten the valve.
Do you need anything from us?
No, I'm okay. I'll be done soon.
We really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. It's my job. All done. The faucet is fixed now.
Wow, that was fast. Thank you so much.
Yes. I changed the washer and tightened everything. It should be fine now.
How much do we need to pay?
The total is $20.
Here you go, $20.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. We'll call you again if we have any more problems.
Of course. Just give us a call anytime. Have a great day.
You too.